Tired of manual CRM updates? Discover how AI can transform your sales process. In today's fast-paced sales world, efficiency is key. Let's explore how AI can be your ultimate CRM assistant. Manual CRM updates are time-consuming and prone to errors. They can slow down your sales team and impact data accuracy. Artificial intelligence offers a powerful solution, automating tasks and streamlining your entire CRM process. Let's dive into the major advantages of integrating AI into your CRM. AI automation significantly reduces the time spent on administrative tasks, boosting overall efficiency for your team. By freeing up time and providing better data, AI enhances sales productivity, allowing your team to focus on what they do best, selling. Curious how AI actually automates these CRM updates? Let's take a closer look. AI automatically gathers and enters data from various sources, ensuring your CRM is always up to date without manual input. AI intelligently scores and prioritizes leads, helping your sales team focus on the most promising opportunities. Automated follow-ups and task management ensure that no lead falls through the cracks and every interaction is timely. AI provides predictive analytics, offering insights into customer behavior and helping you anticipate their needs. Now, let's see how PepSales AI brings these powerful capabilities to life. With PepSales AI, you can sync your CRM in real time. Simply go to Settings, Integrations, and connect to your CRM, like HubSpot. Once connected, PepSales AI automatically syncs your calls, notes, follow-ups, and tasks to HubSpot. No manual effort needed. You can even update deal stages directly inside PepSales. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more sales insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future game-changing tips. See you next time, and happy selling!